everyone, it's me, Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for May 2020. On the outside we have some lovely art by Emily Oinen, and her Instagram is @cleverhandshop. These are some portraits she did with the colored pencil box that came out a couple of months ago. I especially like the one on the left. It reminds me of a 1940s vintage ad. As always, we have our menu that lets us know what's inside and a cute little Sketchbox logo sticker. We have another piece by Ecoline Shaver right here. It's the same artist we've had the past few months. And it looks like they did a very cute little Daruma doll. The first piece of actual art supplies are some watercolors, specifically some Daniel Smith watercolor half pans, and the retail price of these is about $9.75 each, and these are a new item. This month is all about watercolor. First up, we included 3 half pans from Daniel Smith to give you a wide range of color through mixing. We included Cascade Green, Ultramarine Blue, and Hansa Yellow. This is just a personal preference thing. I tend to prefer tubes of watercolor. I feel like they're a little more versatile, and I haven't used pans in a minute, so this will be an interesting project for that reason alone. The colors themselves are very pretty, and it looks like they layer fairly well from what I can tell so far. I am a little bit surprised at how much they are, especially considering how small they are, but it is one of those brands that is supposed to be really good and they can charge more. The next item we have is a Faber-Castell watercolor brush pen, and the retail price for this is normally $6.50. Highly pigmented, water-based artist's watercolor marker with 2 nibs, smooth and flexible brush tip for all-over color and dynamic sketches. It has excellent water solubility with the Fredericks watercolor canvas. We chose warm gray number 3 to allow for shadow effects. One nib, as I said, is more of a brush nib, the other is more of a bullet nib. It is a very pale gray, and it does blend out fairly well with the water. I am worried about using too much of the gray when I do a project, because sometimes adding gray can muddy the colors a lot. We have another watercolor marker. This one is an Ecoline watercolor brush pen, and the retail price for this is normally $4.25. This watercolor brush pen has the same Ecoline watercolor ink that normally comes in bottles. We included a reddish brown to create a landscape palette and allow for comparison with the Faber-Castell item. I have used these before in some of these boxes. I do enjoy them. I like this color a lot. I think it'll be a good addition to this box, and you'll be able to get a variety of different colors with everything that comes in here. It's a great basic palette for mixing. And with this much paint, we need a brush. This is a Princeton Aqua Elite round size number 2. The retail price is normally $12.75, and this is a staff favorite. This line of brushes might be our absolute favorite for watercolor. We included a round size 2 to allow for detailed work on the Fredericks watercolor canvas. I like the size, I like how it handles, it retained its shape very well while swatching, and it applied the colors fairly well while swatching, and you can get a variety of different line weights with this guy. You've been seeing how it works with all of the paint so far. The following item we have is a Neo Pico liner, and it is a line 3 liner. 0.3 millimeters in black. The retail price for this is normally $3.50. These fine liners have a highly durable felt tip and water-based pigment ink that is waterproof. Use it before adding watercolor effects and it won't smudge or bleed. As always with the liner, please make sure it dries before you add water. So far it's really thin and it works like a lot of other liners I've used. The final item, I'm actually looking forward to it quite a bit, mostly because I've never really used it as far as I can recall. This is a Fredericks watercolor canvas board. The retail price for it is normally $6.50, and this is a staff favorite. Fredericks watercolor cotton stretch canvas is an authentic 100% woven cotton artist canvas with a special coating that performs similar to a cold-pressed or rough watercolor paper, yet it provides a distinctive look that can only be achieved on canvas. I did not use this for the swatches. For those, I used some Strathmore 400 series cold-pressed watercolor paper. I'm excited to get in there and see how it works. Actually, I'm looking forward to using everything in this box. It's something different than what we've been getting the past couple months. I've been a little bored with those, so this will be nice to play around with some stuff I haven't used before or in quite a while. And on that note, we are pretty much done. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, please let me know all about it in that comment section down below. Also let me know if you've used any of the items in this month's box before. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Sketchbox unboxings and projects once a month. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!